Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to Do It Frugal. Today I'm teaching you how to clean your grout lines with bleach and bicarb soda. Really cheap, really easy. I'm going to do my bathroom floors today. As you can see, my grout has a few years of dirt, I guess, grime in there. Even though I mop my floors every week, the grout seems to get a little grimy over time, so I'm going to clean it, like I said, using bleach and bicarb. So this is how easy it is, guys. I've got bicarb soda, I've got some bleach, and I have a toothbrush. I'm going to start off by mixing the bleach and the baking soda or bicarb soda, and then I'm going to go and apply it to the grout lines. So it is literally this simple. There's my baking powder. So I want to add enough bleach to make it a paste that kind of resembles the consistency of thickened cream. And it's just so that you can apply it more easily. Some people say that they just use bleach to clean their grout and just apply it for half an hour. So I'm going to put this on for half an hour and let it sit there for half an hour in between the grout lines to work its magic. Here we go. So this is the consistency that you want. Let's go clean our grout. So I've done nothing other to these floors than give them a good vacuum before getting started. Here I've got the paste that you just saw me mix up, and all I'm going to do is add it to the grout lines. And I try and just keep the mixture to the grout lines, because that's where really we want the cleaning power to be at this point. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this to all the grout lines in my bathroom, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so now I've filled all of the grout lines with the bleach and bicarb mixture. What I'm going to do now is set a timer for about half an hour, and I'm just going to let it dwell and do its thing. I'm going to shut the door. I've got the fan on because it's the bathroom, so that it can extract any of those bleach spells. And yeah, in half an hour I'll come back and show you how we're going to clean up all of the bleach and bicarb and have beautifully clean grout. So half an hour has passed, and now what I'm going to do is I am going to use my toothbrush to scrub the grout lines, and I'm going to use a damp cloth, not a damp cloud, to wipe up the bicarb and bleach. So I'm just going to give it a quick scrub with a cleaning toothbrush. This is just, you can use a scrubbing brush, but this is what I had and this is what I want to use, so that's what I'm going to use. It should be fairly easy to scrub. Here I have my bucket of warm water with a cloth, so I'm just going to use that to wipe up the excess bleach and bicarb. Now I'm just showing you the center of a tile for demonstration, but you'd usually start at the door of a room and work your way in. So I'm going to get the rest of this place, or the rest of the grout cleaned, and I'll show you what it looks like once the grout has dried. That's when you can really see the difference. So I've just finished cleaning and wiping down the floors and scrubbing the grout lines. So I'm just going to let it dry. You can't really, with my tiles, because the grout lines are dark anyway, you can't really see a noticeable difference while they're wet until they actually dry out. So I've just cleaned the floors. I'm going to wait for these to dry and I'll show you what it looks like when they're all clean. So after it's all been cleaned up and I've mopped the floors, here's my clean grout in the bathroom. It took about 45 minutes to an hour to get it all done. I usually don't do big spaces. I usually just break up spaces and target those at any one time. Otherwise it just becomes too labor intensive. Thanks for sticking along and watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe by clicking the button down below and give us a thumbs up. Bye.